Hello, welcome to my channel, Keloh Multimedia Concept. Yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how to install VidIQ on your mobile browser. Yes, originally, what we know is that we can only install extensions on our desktop, our laptop, computer browsers. It was limited to our mobile phone. We are plugins like that helps you to do more on a particular website or on a particular app. So now I'm going to show you. Yeah, we have lots of browsers like the Mozilla Firefox, the Google Chrome, Opera Mini, and so on. So, but in our mobile phone, we can only install plugins on our Kiwi browser. Yeah, if you don't have Kiwi browser, you just have to go to Google Play Store or your Apple Store to download it. Yeah, I'm using an Android phone here, and now I want to go. You go to Play Store. You can look at Play Store here. Look at I already searched down for Kiwi browser. This is how to look at it. Now you see here that Kiwi browser fast and quiet installed. Yeah, I already installed it. That's why I see here. If it is not installed, you will see install. So now I already installed it. I will now click on open, and it will bring me to this place. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I just want to show you how to do it here. Yeah, if even if you can download it from you can download this extension with other browsers like your Opera Mini or Chrome, but it will not work there. Even if you download it there and install it there, it will work on only Kiwi browser. It does not mean where you downloaded it from or where you installed the VidIQ extension from or VidIQ extension, but it will work. So, but I want to use this our Kiwi browser to download it. Now, what I'll do now is to search for VidIQ VidIQ extension. Look at extension for Chrome. Okay, VidIQ extension for Chrome. Don't mind, we are saying for Chrome, whether for Chrome or for whatever. So far you've downloaded it, it will work in. Even if you downloaded it, it's for Chrome here that is showing here. Even if you download it, it will always show in your Kiwi browser. Now I'll search for it. So now as I will just click on the second option here, Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. I will just click here, Chrome Web Store. So as I click on this Chrome Web Store now, it has opened here. Now let me zoom. You will see now. If you scroll to the end here, to the left, be the right side, you see Add to Chrome. So I click on Add to Chrome. Now I say OK. So now I believe it has installed. Yes, say yes, congratulations. Your VidIQ was installed successfully. Say, okay, now it's taking me to video to learn more, but no, I have already downloaded it. Now I'll go back to my Chrome. I'll go back to my Kiwi browser. Sorry, I'll go out to our Kiwi browser. I'll go click on this home symbol at the top left corner of your screen. So it'll bring me back home. Now I want to open my YouTube studio from here. What I'll do now is to type studio.youtube.com. Look at it here. It has opened here. So I click on it. It will now bring me to this place. Alright, so it has bring me to my dashboard. So if I want to see more here, I will just go to this three line here. I will see the what's it called, the more details of these symbols that in the left hand side corner of your screen here. Now as I click on it, look at the number of one symbol there that we were seeing. There is dashboard, then followed by content analysis, comment, subtitles, copyright, and customization, audio library, daily ideas. You can see this daily ideas here is a VidIQ extension. So it's because I installed the VidIQ extension. That's why I'm seeing this daily idea, keyword inspector, and all that. So I have successfully installed the VidIQ on my mobile browser, which is the Kiwi browser. So that is just simple way how to install it. In our next video, I will show you how to optimize your videos on it. But before that, let me just show you. If I click on this second symbol that is here below as a left hand corner side, the second symbol is content. I will click on this content here. Once I click on it, it will take me to my videos. So now you will see my videos. These are my videos. Now what I will do here now is to click on one of my video. Like I want to click on this particular one, a cultural dance. Once I click on it, it will take me here. It take me to this place. You can see. So now you can see I already have my title here and a little description here. Now if I scroll down, I will see show more. Yes, show more. Yeah, you can see more options here. There's one thing I'm trying to bring to our notice now. You will see tag. You will see tags here. In my tag, you see my tag here. So you see some suggestion below recommended tags. You see recommended tags. You see some tags that came out that is recommended by what's it called, by the VidIQ or your VidIQ app. So now I want to add, look at this plus sign on this events here. Now I'll click on plus. It will add to my what's it called, my tags. I'll add. So once you give a few once you give a few tag, VidIQ will help you, or VidIQ will help you to generate more tags. It will bring out some suggestion that can help your video. So I'm gonna click on save here, up here, to save the added tag. So I can click on refresh. If I click on refresh, it might suggest more. You can see here it has brought out two more additional, this plus, okay, people and advertisement. Let me just add them too. I'll just click on the plus there. It will add. Click on this one. You can see it has been added to my tag. Then I can say refresh again to bring another one. You can see car event TV. I click on plus. Sorry, I didn't get it. Click on the tiny plus here. Yes, it has added to my tag. I can refresh again. See, there's no more suggestion of tags, so I can just save this here. I save it, so it has now been saved. So you can see in this place, you can see you have it's a get AI title recommendation. You see you have 3 credits. So after you finish it, you can suggest. Once I click on get AI recommendation, it will suggest a better title for me, and I have just 3 in 22 days. So once I consume these 3 AI recommendation titles, I will have to wait for 22 days for it to give me another 3 options or 3 opportunity to generate a title, a recommended AI title that will help my video. You can see get description, AI description. Yes, you can also get description. So if you want to have full access to unlimited AI recommendation of title or AI description, you just register for the pro version of this VidIQ or VidIQ app, so that you can get full access to many other things, many suggestions, even your tags. You can have plenty tag suggestion that will help you on this app. So thank you for watching, and don't fail to subscribe to this channel for more. Ask your question. Don't forget to leave your questions on the comments box. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.